Hello students. While dealing with reflection of light by spherical mirror, we follow a set of sign conventions called New Cartesian sign convention. In this figure, there are two axes. This horizontal axis is called as x-axis and vertical axis is called as y-axis. The point at which these two axes meet is called as origin. It is represented by O. All the points on the right side of this origin on x axis, इस axis के ऊपर जो भी points आएंगे on right side of the origin, they are considered as positive, and all the points on the left side of the origin on x axis will be considered as negative. मीन्स इस तरफ जो भी मेजर किया जाएगा उसके लिए पॉजिटिव साइन और इधर जो भी मेजर करेंगे वो नेगेटिव साइन, एंड वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. सिमिलरली ऑल द पॉइंट्स अबव दिस एक्सिस, एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर जो डिस्टेंस लेंगे वो पॉजिटिव में मेजर होगा, एंड द पॉइंट्स बिलो दिस एक्सिस विल बी considered as negative. Now let's see how can we use this system in case of spherical mirror. This is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. This mirror is bulging inward and this mirror is bulging outward. The object is always placed in front of the mirror, whether it is concave mirror or convex mirror. And we always start measuring any distance from pole. So in case of object, we start from pole to object in this way. Hence, object distance will be taken as negative always. Whether it is concave mirror or convex mirror, दोनों मिरर के केस में हम u नेगेटिव लेते हैं क्योंकि दोनों ही कंडीशन में u object is placed in front of the mirror. Then next is image. Image, if real image is formed, then it is formed in front of the mirror. As in case of concave mirror, real image is formed in front of the mirror. It means we measure distance from pole to image like this. Hence, if real image is formed, then it will be considered as negative. आप negative sign लगाएंगे image distance के साथ क्योंकि image distance बन रही है left side पर mirror के. And in this case, if virtual image is formed, अगर virtual image बनेगी, then virtual image is formed behind the mirror. It means we measure in right direction. Right direction में आप distance measure करेंगे in case of virtual image. So if virtual image is formed, we measure it in with positive sign. Now what about convex mirror? In case of convex mirror, always virtual image is formed. And virtual image is formed behind the mirror. That's why we put positive sign while measuring the image distance in case of convex mirror. Focus. Focus of concave mirror is placed in front of the mirror. It means we measure focal length on the left side of the mirror. We start from pole till focus. तो हम कहाँ से start कर रहे हैं? Pole से left side चल रहे हैं. That's why focal length of concave mirror will be taken as negative. While in case of convex mirror, focus is present behind the mirror. So when we measure focal length, we start from pole till focus in the right direction. Right direction में ऐसे आप measure करेंगे. So focal length of convex mirror will be taken as positive. Then come to the height of the image. As you can see, in case of concave mirror, when real image is formed, this image is placed below the principal axis. This is principal axis. ये principal axis है. Principal axis के नीचे की तरफ बनेगी real image, and because of that all the distances which we measure below this axis are considered as negative. तो इसके लिए जब आप हाइट मेजर करेंगे रियल इमेज की, तो किस में ली जाएगी हाइट? नेगेटिव में. In case of virtual image, whenever virtual image is formed, it is formed above this principal axis. Principal axis के ऊपर बनती है, erect image बनती है. So in this case, height of the image will be considered as positive. Thank you.